Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making a vibrant prawns and avocado salad that's packed with flavor, color, and comes together in just few simple steps. We'll start by deveining the prawns. Devein the prawns and we'll give it a quick marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and juice of half a lemon. Mix and keep it aside while we prepare our vegetables. Take a small onion and roughly cut it into bite-sized pieces. Separate the petals and keep it aside. Next, dice 1/4 of a red bell pepper, roughly the same size, followed by 1/4 of a yellow bell pepper for color. Slice the cherry tomato into halves. Finally, roughly chop the iceberg lettuce. We want nice crunchy pieces that adds texture to every bite. Fresh ingredients is what makes this salad so refreshing. And now we'll make a simple homemade dressing. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed dry herbs, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined. The sweetness of the honey balances the acidity of the balsamic, creating a light dressing. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Once the butter melts, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Saute until the garlic becomes fragrant. Be careful to not brown it too much. Now add the marinated prawns and cook them for a minute on each side. Overcooked prawns become rubbery, so cook them just until they are perfectly done. Finish with a little chopped parsley and keep aside. In a bowl, combine the iceberg lettuce, bell peppers, onions, and cherry tomatoes along with the dressing. Give it a gentle mix and keep aside. And now for the fun part, plating. Cut the avocado in half. And remove the seed. And peel the skin. Slice the avocado into thin slices. And now gently fan it out. And shape them into a beautiful ring on your serving plate. Place the salad in the center of the avocado ring Arrange the cooked prawns on top. Finish by spooning over some delicious garlic butter sauce from the pan. Garnish with some fresh basil or cilantro. Sprinkle of black sesame seeds for that elegant finish. And there you have it, prawns and avocado salad that's fresh, colorful, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And thank you for watching.